5 things you need to know today before the markets open with voxmarkets.co.uk.
It's Tuesday, the 25th of May, 2021 at 5. Wylands Bank, part of the beleaguered businessman Sandeep Gupta's GFG Group, was probed by the Bank of England in 2019, Governor Andrew Bailey has said. Wylands Bank is facing possible liquidation, while GFG has been under pressure since its biggest lender, Greensill Capital, collapsed in March. At 4, unions are warning there could be a Waite shortage this summer if a fire and rehire row leads to strikes. Engineers at the company's factories in Kettering and Corby in Northamptonshire are threatening to walk out over pay and conditions and say this would lead to production stoppages. At 3, Cineworld enjoyed a strong opening weekend in the UK as film fans rushed back to cinemas, led by demand for Peter Rabbit 2, The Runaway. The chain said more people than expected returned as lockdown eased and now anticipates a good recovery in attendance over the coming months. At 2, the UK's energy regulator has approved plans to invest £300 million in low-carbon projects, including support for 3,550 charging points for electric vehicles. Ofgem said the funds would allow energy networks to build robust electricity infrastructure for installing charging points across UK motorways. And at 1, UK tourism is set for a slow recovery from the pandemic, with spending by holidaymakers this year expected to be just half the level it was in 2019. Forecasts by the VisitBritain agency indicate that domestic tourism will be worth £51.4 billion in 2021, down from £91.6 billion 2 years ago. For more details on any of these stories, visit voxmarkets.co.uk.
5 things you need to know today before the markets open with voxmarkets.co.uk.